Austin, Texas, and this is our Airbnb. What street is this, babe?
Rainey?
Rainey Street. So we actually just got in the door and I looked, and so far everything is good, but I wanted this to be like an honest reaction. So I'm basically going to be seeing the apartment with you guys. So first things first, when you walk in, if you can turn around here, you see an amazing kitchen, girl. Oh, I don't know if I'll be cooking because come in, there was so many amazing, so many nice and amazing food trucks and restaurants. So I don't know if I'll be cooking in this kitchen, but this is so clean. These are so cute. I have to get this. Gotta get that from back home. Coffee. I think we have access to everything. Very organized. And you guys know how kitchen works. Did they leave anything in here for us? Very clean, just water. Perfect. Oh my God. This is probably one of the best Airbnbs we've ever had. Over here is the living area. You have a computer, which I'm sure we have access to. Oh, nice couch. What's this thing, babe?
I don't know, a footrest?
How do you do that up? I don't know how to open this. I don't want to push it too hard and it breaks. Oh, it's already open. Oh my God. Check out the view. And, oh my God. Do I look cute in this? Oh my God, whoops. Gotta be careful with that because it's right next to the wall. Oh my God, look at this TV. This is honestly the best place I think we've ever gotten Airbnb-wise. This is amazing. I wanna be. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my God, anyone who knows me knows I love pho. Pho stuff is life. Babe, this is so gorgeous. I don't want to go in the bed because I didn't shower yet, but this is so beautiful. What's in here? Oh, this goes into the washroom. Oh my God, they knew Black Girl was coming. Check this out. Olive oil, shampoo. Oh my God, it's a black owner, isn't it? It has to be. Let's see if they flush the toilet. Yep. That's always a plus. Nice. Oh my God. This is so organized and clean. Do we normally tip Airbnb? Because I feel like I'll be tipping this one. Oh my God.
Got bathrobes.
This is literally a dream right now. Literally a dream. It's happening. Okay. What else is there? Oh my God. And we have 2 sinks. So call in. Don't have to be like, babe, hurry up and do your makeup. Like, I got my own sink. I'm claiming this sink right here. Oh, rich life looks good on me, eh? Right? Rich living looks good on me. I need to hustle more so I can become rich.
Yep, that's happening.
Oh, that's cool. Rich life looks good on me. What's in here? Oh, sweet. Broom, vacuum, and that's about it. And, oh my God, this is, oh, the picture. Show them the picture. Where's that, Paris?
Yep.
Gorgeous. Oh my God. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And to top this off, there's a full mirror. If you want to make Christelle happy, don't mind my bag. I just dropped it. Get me a full mirror. Woo! Woo! Okay, guys, that is it. I am going to go shower and get ready. I am starving.
You should leave the link in the bio for this spot.
I will be leaving the link in the bio. Do we want to disclose the price of this or no?
It was
how much was it?
Was it like 190 Canadian a night?
190 Canadian a night, so less than $200 a night for this place, and I think it's so worth it. So worth it. This is beyond what I anticipated. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. Ah. We should get this for our place because you love taking pictures so much. That's actually so cool.
What is this thing? Wine opener?
Professional wine opener. That's gonna come in handy for me because I forgot mine. Anyways, that's that. I feel like this video might be going way too long, but this is under $200 a night, as I said, and I'll leave the description in the box if you guys are interested. But anyways, we're gonna go shower and get ready. We literally just like came in and we're gonna head out and get some food and stuff. So yeah,